Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Yes, today we're gonna talk about Valentino. I just purchased this from Nordstrom.com. It's amazing eyeshadow palette. Love! I am so in love. My eyes look so pretty. It's definitely spectacular look. Let me come close to you. I really want you to see, because colors, it's amazing, pigments, it's amazing, design, it's amazing. I like everything. Please, comments below, please subscribe, watch my YouTube channel, and let's start. Ooh, before we make this eyes pretty, let me introduce you to this brand, Valentino. Yes, 2021 Nordstrom received Valentino products. This is amazing palette. It's $98 and it's so luxury, gorgeous packaging, red and gold. Okay, let's open, and inside we have with you 4 eyeshadow and 2 brushes. We have here very beautiful colors. We have pink, we have gold, we have like a I'll say like a metallic brown burgundy probably, and this is color, it's matte. Again, this palette's $98, but believe me not, it's not yet everything in here. We have one more beautiful eyeshadow underneath. We have gold, we have black, we have shimmer. I love this eyeshadow palette. It's promise us we have matte, metallic, satin colors. Again, look at this gorgeous palette, and it's a great present, I think, for Valentine's, for holidays, or just to have. And of course, I'm gonna use this palette today. Okay, my eyes, it's ready for this eyeshadow palette. Today we're gonna use this one. You can use both of them, but let's try to use this first, and then if you like this look, please let me know, and I will make another video which one it's eyeshadow underneath. But again, it's very pretty. My face, it's already have foundation, little concealer. Let's put eyeshadow primer from MAC, and let's do eyebrows, and then we're gonna start with eyes. I'm gonna set first under my eyes concealer with loose powder from Laura Mercier. Today I'm gonna do eyebrows first, and I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil. I do not like too much structure, looking like too much eyebrows. I just really softly to feel, whereas like I feel I need it. But again, I don't like to spend too much time on my eyebrows, because I like them looks more natural. And now I'm gonna use my favorite eyeshadow primer from MAC and Trish McAvoy brush, cream brush number 66, and we're gonna apply on the entire my eyelid eyeshadow primer. And now I'm gonna use my favorite Chanel brush 105, and I'm gonna apply loose powder and transparent loose powder under my bone from Laura Mercier. And now let's use first color. So far it's really pigmented. Now let's use this beautiful pinky red color. So far we have 2 colors with you, and they are very vibrant. I do like so a lot. a lot these two colors. My eyes look so pretty, and I like texture of this eyeshadow. I will say, wow, it's really amazing pigment. And now I'm gonna use this darker color, and believe me not, I'm using Chanel lip brush. I really like it, this like angle brush, and we have another small tiny, yes, it's for lips, but I like to use for my eyes. This darker color very feels like a creamy to me, like a creamy powder texture. I apply this darker eyeshadow close to my lashes. It goes so pretty. And let's make a letter C, or push this little darker color to my suckle area. It's very pretty. I need bigger blending brush, and I'm gonna just little bit more smudge and soften my crease. And now we're gonna use this eyeshadow. I'm gonna use same brush, and we're gonna put underneath my lashes. And now let's put little bit this darker color more on my crease. And now we're gonna use this beautiful gold shimmer eyeshadow, and again I'm using Chanel lip brush number 300. And little bit shimmer, very small amount I'm gonna use under my eyebrows. And now I am applying brown gel eyeliner from Trish McAvoy. It's very gentle. It's not gonna hurt my skin. It's just a really small eyeliner. And now same gel eyeliner I'm gonna use close to my lashes on top. And now with my finger I'm gonna apply the shimmer eyeshadow on top. Ooh, it looks so pretty. Let's put mascara on the bottom, and I'm using Lancome Idol, and also I'm gonna apply a little bit on top, but this eye look neat, definitely extra glam. We're gonna put false lashes. Ooh la la, I love my eyes, they look so pretty. I have foundation on me already and concealer, and today I have on me, it's tinted doll, and I also have little bit cream contour. You can look at my previous video, it's usually the same routine, but you know what, because I feel a little bit pale compared to rest of my body, I have a big bronze from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is its color number 1, and let's put a little bit bronze more on my face to little bit connect with rest of my body. And I apply it just like a powder because it's slightly light color for me. And yes, I did put these earrings because this eye makeup, this eye makeup needs something spectacular, and I love these earrings. I purchased them in Target and I really like them. And it's funny story, I purchased last year these earrings in Target and I completely forgot about them, and this year I went to Target, I'm like, oh, I love these earrings, and I purchased again. Basically I have two. I must really like it, but I also have like a, I will not say it's funny personality, but if I like it something, like I like shoes, I'll buy double. I like this skirt, I will buy 2 skirts. I like wallets. I will buy 2 of them. Now let's do highlighter, blush and lips. For my blush today, I'm gonna use Estee Lauder. Yes, I absolutely in love with Estee Lauder blushes. It's coming with this small brush and we're gonna use for highlighter. But for blush, we're gonna use a small tiny brush from Trish McAvoy. And this is its color 490. And let's just put a little bit on top of my bronze. Ooh, a little bit put too much. Come on, I need to take care of this. Okay, I just put a little bit more bronze on top of my blush. It's very pigmented. Yes, now I'm happy. Time for highlighter, and of course it's MAC. I just don't know, like this is my favorite highlighter, and I just like not yet find anything else better than this. I did hear Jaclyn Hill, who used to work with me, she has a nice beautiful highlighter. I think I will need to go and check it out and maybe purchase a couple of her items. Let's do now the lips, and for lips we're gonna use, let's use a red lip color. For my lips, we're gonna use a red lip color from North, and it's a beautiful, like a pinky red. I know these colors will be always looks pretty on me. Okay, let's use red lip liner from Lancome, and it's color Rougel. Ooh, it's getting very dark outside, and let me set my makeup with Charlotte Tilbury Satin Mist. I really like how my eyes look, my lipstick. Right now it's like colors a little bit maybe changes, think for the camera it's like more pinky red, but because I think it's so dark right now outside, it's my camera a little bit colors, it's different. But I'm sorry, apologize for this, but look at my eyes, it looks so pretty. Don't you like this, girls? Comments below, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. And please give me a hands up. Love you all. Bye everybody.